I always get so shy when you hear. Okay. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on our way for an adventure, right?
Hundreds.
A friend of ours let us know about a really cool waterfall somewhere close by in Hout Bay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and check that out, and we thought we would take you along on our adventure.
The fact that it's like a hidden little spot that nobody knows about.
Yeah, so apparently at this spot, do we even know what it's called?
No.
Okay,
And we
cool.
can't even say what it is.
Yeah, okay, cool. If we find out the actual name, I'll include it somewhere here. But what's cool is apparently there is a trail to this waterfall, but this friend let us know about an entirely different way to get there that a lot of people don't know about. So we're going to go and check that out. And we're going to film some content on the way, which I'm really excited about as well. I feel like it's a nice opportunity to be creative and just to play. And you got the new gimbal.
I got the new gimbal.
Got the gimbal, so we're going to play with that.
Osmo Mobile 4.
That one. We're going to play with that as well. We were checking out some camera techniques last night. So that's going to be cool, man. I'm excited about that.
I'm also
Playing
excited
and
just to play around with it.
right?
And it's a nice day.
It is gorgeous. Okay, so we are trying to find the entrance. Boyfriend just got out of the car because apparently there's a gate that we need to go through. I don't know, code that we need to use. Does it look like that's the place? Or no?
That is the spot.
Is it? Okay, so then we gotta find parking. Yes, we found the gate. And so the long walk to freedom begins.
Oh, please don't use that as an intro. Really?
Why not?
No. No.
Why?
Like, cut, take 2. No.
Babe! Okay, so we've been walking for
All of like 30 seconds.
my legs are so sore already. Aren't you feeling it? This is a hardcore uphill.
It is, but it's all the fishing. It's all the fishing. Like we go up and down hectic hills with backpacks and gear and everything. So I don't feel it.
Okay. Must be nice. Okay.
Off to you.
Thank you very much. I feel like we've just entered the secret garden. The secret forest. I really can't wait to find this waterfall, man. We've been saying we want to do a waterfall mission for so long. Which way do we go?
I heard it that way.
I also hear the waterfall that side. And yet we are walking this way. Oopsie. Okay, found the river.
Sometimes it's not flowing. So I think it's probably just up here. Should be.
Okay, and then we cross it.
Cross it and go to the right.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we can actually hear the river now. So we must be close, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I thought it was a crystal. It's not. Over there. Okay. Whew. Don't fall. closer.
Definitely getting closer. Okay, so we are probably about 5 or 10 minutes away.
Hopefully 5.
Hopefully 5.
We're definitely on the right track though.
Yeah.
We're following the river. Oh, do you think that maybe was the waterfall?
I think it's right over there.
Oh, there, I can see it. Okay, come. It's a waterfall mission.
Should we be on the other side? I think cross down over there.
Yeah, good idea. Just be careful.
Yeah.
How waterproof is your phone?
As good as yours. How waterproof are your shoes?
Not so much. Oh my gosh. Are you joking? We found the waterfall! I'm so excited! Oh my god, it's beautiful. It is gorgeous. Wow. We found the waterfall.
We found
We
it.
found the waterfall. Ah, we found the waterfall. Our first waterfall.
I'm actually in the video, by the way. Like, I am here as well.
It's all about me, baby.
Yeah,
It's
we
all
know
about
that.
me. Check out
This is dope, by the
gorgeous.
way. This is dope. It's not a far walk. It's not a far hike.
Yeah, but we had the cheat code for this walk though.
Yeah, but there's been quite a few people here as well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we've seen a couple of people come and go.
it's like those events, or it reminds me of Art of Duplicity. This cool little spot in town where you need the password in order to get
Oh
into the speakeasy at
yeah,
the
I
back.
haven't been before.
Part of Truth Coffee. Josh is the bartender there. He's a close friend of mine as well. He's amazing.
Shout out to Josh. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so this is going to be one of many waterfall missions. I know we've got a second one that we've been chatting about checking out. if you know of any cool waterfalls in and around Cape Town, then definitely pop that in the comments. We would love to go and check it out.
Nice.
Right, babe?
Nice, definitely. Mind you, step here, Bob.
Baby, shaking that ass. Okay. It was dope, man. I got so excited at one point. I was like, I can't contain myself. But it was so much fun.
Yeah, no, that was cool. It wasn't far. It's a nice and safe little spot and walk. Is it this way? Did I come this way?
That's a
That's
dead
a
end.
cul-de-sac. It's definitely not this way.
Yeah, it was very cool. It was so cold, actually, at the waterfall. But yeah, man, we got to get creative, shoot some content for Instagram and obviously the YouTube channel as well, which was cool. We got to get out. It was a gorgeous day.
Yeah.
Hey, and we got to go on an adventure.
I'm looking forward to summer, man. The
Summer?
warmer days. The new car.
Yes. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys the new car. Also, summer. What did they say? Sun's out, guns out.
Bums out.
Guns out.
Buns out. Bums
Guns.
out. Oh, so you're saying I need to get to the gym first?
No, I'm saying that. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see some more. We're definitely planning on adventuring more. We've got a couple of ideas. And we're really keen to take you guys along and also just to document this as memories for us as well.
Yeah, that's our space, man. But if you guys know of any cool spots that you feel like we should go check out, Cape Town, anywhere in South Africa actually, let us know.
Holla at your girl and your boy. Yeah.
That's weird. I think you know you're weird, right?
I mean, I own being weird. But do you? No, I'm just joking.
Am I really weird?
Yes.
Of course I am.
Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.
Peace.